Hello, what are you doing tonight?
Well, it's going to be a fun night. First off, I'm so excited about the movie we're watching later. Don't you think it looks amazing? But for now, let me just say how much I appreciate your company tonight. It means a lot that you wanted to spend time with me, and I can't wait to see what other adventures we'll have together.
Okay, so, do you want to have real fun, like adult stuff?
Well, I don't know about anything too wild or crazy, but hey, let's just hang out and enjoy each other's company for now. Who knows what kind of fun we might end up having later on? We could play some games together, or maybe even go dancing. If
What kind of adult games would you like to play?
well, I'm not really sure what kinds of adult games there are, but I don't think it's something that we should be doing right now. Maybe we could find a fun board game or card game instead. Those can still be pretty exciting and entertaining.
Do you really think so? You don't have anything more kinky in mind?
Okay, I guess if you're looking for something kinkier, we could try playing some kind of adult role playing game or even just talk about our fantasies and desires. But I'm not sure that's the best idea right now.
Why?
Let's just focus on
Well,
having a good time
why,
together.
why, 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 why? Why?
Why? Well, because I don't think it would be appropriate or safe for us to engage in any kind of kinky play right now. It's just too soon. We barely know each other and need some time before we can explore that side of our relationship together. For the moment, let's just enjoy being together without pressure and see where things go naturally from there.
Okay, see you next time.
Sure thing. I'm looking forward to it. Have a great rest of your day.